Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord high CPU usage. So first of all, open your Discord and go to the settings. Right here, you will need to scroll down a bit until you see your microphone. So select voice and chat video, and right here, you will see that you'll need to turn off this voice processing, and that may lower your CPU usage. And what you can do is by going right here to the advanced mode and trying to turn off hardware acceleration, because it uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. You can turn it off or turn it on and see if that makes any difference. And after that, if that doesn't help you, just right click it, open task manager, and right here, if you go to the details, you will need to find Discord. So scroll down and just right click it and set priority below normal, and make sure to do that on every Discord that you see running. So that's how you fix high CPU usage Discord. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.